She started
Hey,
to
you.
feed this squirrel
What
outside
do you
during
want?
a hurricane and have been taking care of her ever since. And this is the moment the squirrel took her by the finger and wanted her to follow her somewhere. She was so confused and wondering what she was trying to show her until the squirrel started climbing up this tree.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
So she went up with her to see what it
Come
was,
on.
and when she got to the top, the squirrel entered her nest that she built, and that's what
You
she wanted to
know
show
what
her the
it
whole
is?
time.
Beautiful nest. It's beautiful.
So cute.
I love it.
Just like anyone who owns a home wanting to show you what they've done to the place.